guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Joanie and I am the blogger behind simplelivingmama.com, and today's video we are actually going to be doing a craft. So in the month of November I have a new handicraft coming out every single week, and this week's craft is going to be this really neat weaving, which is called the God's Eye. It's also known as Ojo de Dios in Spanish. So these are just really cool. They're great for little children to do. Anybody can do these. They're very simple and easy to make. And as you can see, ours are Christmassy colored because we are making ours into ornaments for the Christmas tree. So, like I said, this craft is simple. It only requires a few materials, so you'll need some popsicle sticks. These are made with colored craft sticks from the Dollar Tree. You can use sticks from your yard, whatever you have available. I think even cinnamon sticks might be kind of fun if you can get them long enough to make your super cute Ojo de Dios. You will also need some yarn. Now I am just using a tricolor skein of yarn. You can use different colors. You'll just cut it and cut your yarn and then tie off onto a new string if you want to switch colors, but I am using the tricolor yarn. So super simple. I'm going to show you how we're going to go ahead and get started. So these sticks are actually colored on by my kids, but they're the only two that I have left right now. So I have 2 popsicle sticks, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make a cross with them. Now, if you are doing this with little kids, like I was earlier today, you could just use a little bit of glue, like hot glue, and glue it right here. Put the other one down, and that way it'll stay put, making this much, much easier. If not, you can leave it unglued, and I'm going to show you how we're going to get started. So I'm going to take the end of my yarn and I'm going to make sure that I kind of unroll it so that I have plenty, and then I'm going to take my cross and sort of hold it. And then I want to make it as even as possible, and I'm just going to start by securing it in the middle like this, and then I'm going to do that on the other side as well. So I'm going to take it like this and just kind of tuck that one string inside. Make it as even as possible, and now here is where the weaving begins. So I'm going to go over. You can go under or you can go over. It's up to you whether you want to go over or under, but you do need to be consistent. You have to do the same motion each time. So like I said, I'm going to go over. So I'm going to wrap over once, and then I'm going to move counterclockwise, wrap, wrap, wrap. This one's off just a little bit. I'm going to straighten it up. Okay. gonna go ahead and tie this off so that I can show you how it looks. So I'm gonna take my scissors and I'm gonna cut. I need some sharper scissors, obviously. And then you can just take it, this is what it looks like on the back, and you can just take it if you want and weave it in if you have a quilter's needle or something like that. I'm gonna wrap mine around and just tie it off like this. Make a nice little knot back here. If you wanted to, you could add another loop so you can hang it, which is what I've done to some of mine, some of my other ones. It's just up to you. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, this simple craft for kids, I would appreciate it if you would give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. We will have a new handicraft every Tuesday in the month of November. Our last handicraft was DIY lip balm, so I will leave a link for you to go check that out. And we will talk to you in the next video. Bye.